Do you know what separates successful brands from those that fail in today's market? In this video, I will share with you 5 ways to future-proof your brand for modern consumers. Let's check them one by one. Number 1, embrace technology. New multimedia AI tools help you create content such as images, voiceover, music, and video. ChatGPT helps you to write content, scripts, and action plans, and much more. On this page, you will find all the AI tools available for free or for free trial. With these new tools and smart prompt engineering, you can create better content faster and start growing your audience on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitch, and others. To make use of those tools in a way that doesn't look too artificial, you need storytelling. The story, how you help others, is the most powerful story you can tell. Then people will want to know your story too, how you overcame the obstacles they might be struggling with. See, every creator or influencer is one way or another a guide or a teacher, so make sure to add the ingredients of a story in all your content to give it more depth. How to script good stories. Have a character, goal, obstacle, big challenge, and a reward. Let's move on. The next step is personalized marketing. What does that mean in practice? If you're in the start of your career, make all your communications personalized, as known as do things that don't scale. Read this article to learn more about it. I'll also add the link below. If you have a wider reach, you can use modern CRM platforms and marketing tools to personalize your messages, give suggestions based on past behavior, like using always the first name of your prospect or client, remembering their birthdays with personalized greetings or offers or promotions or gifts, send a reminder to restock frequently bought items, and offer personalization options in your products. 4th step, build a strong personal brand. While the AI is on the rise, people still want to interact with people. That's how we are. Be or have a face for your brand. Have a style, have color, have a recognizable, consistent presence over all social medias. Over time, you will become familiar and people tend to trust people they know. On the other hand, we don't trust people we don't know, especially faceless businesses that have stock footage, websites, and online profiles. Beat the competition by becoming a brand of you. Step 5, stay ahead of the curve. Everyone who does marketing knows how to run an ad on Facebook. But did they know how to do that 10 years ago? That's why Facebook is so expensive and saturated. But what about new platforms? Do you know yet how to market on TikTok or create organic content? What about Twitch or Reddit? What about showing ads inside games or apps? Have you used any influencers in your marketing? The big opportunity is in these new and rising marketing medias, where most people don't know yet how to maneuver and get results. Don't wait for the competition to pass you, but instead get there first. How to do that and all these steps. Scrive is an agile and modern content and marketing agency that can help you leap forward. We have helped multiple businesses and personal brands to modernize their online presence and bring them up to speed to grow their traffic and sales. Contact us today to start working together, and we will find the best solutions for you to take your game to the next level. If you watched to the end of this video, I have a secret gift for you. We give you a 20% discount on your first project if you send us an email today with the code 20video in your message. This can save you hundreds, so act now. This promotion applies only to new customers. Talk to you soon.